So I'm hoping this is an easy one. Down in there is the shifter column, and it got really loose. There was no bearings left in there on the shifter thing. So I've got some new parts, and hopefully that will just drop in like a piece of cake. So that's what I was talking about. So that's the shifter. Then it's got this little thing on the end. Yeah, I have to pop that off. Put a new one there. There's a couple of bushings that obviously go down, slide in there. New pin and C-clip, clamp clip. So I think this doesn't look as though it comes off easy, so I'm gonna have to bust that off, put it all together, and then we're set. So, got it off. It actually took a little bit of hitting. You had to basically drive a punch through there to drive that out, and then it popped off. No, I can't really, it feels worn compared with this one that's nice and smooth. I don't know how much. Yeah, there's not a lot of difference. So that's the old one, and I suspect that if I just alright, it's a two-handed job, that's not going to go, but I'll do that in a second. And then this is what was in there before. It basically had the pin and then two crappy washers. I don't think anything existed that went down the middle. So, alright, let's give that a shot. Well, you can see I trashed our dining room table here. That's not good. But you have to clamp the only way I could get this to work, you have to clamp that in the vise and then carefully hit it, and it went on snugly and tightly, but I was concerned that I had cracked it. Here's not. So these are the pieces that go in. They're kind of a heavy duty, I don't know, whatever the material is, but that seems to snug in nicely there. Okay, so that's in, and that goes in, so that is good. Yeah, a little loose, but not too bad. Alright, I'm going to go and install it in the car. Try desperately not to lose that. Okay, I got that the right way around, so that's going to go... And you can see there that it is tight. So I'm going to have to force that in with two hands. Yeah. Well, using the light here to see whether I've got it in there, which I think I do. I greased it up, a little bit of that lithium grease on the outside. And it is tough, stiff, so maybe I'm going to put the pin through and see whether that squares it up. But it's certainly snug and firm in there, which is probably not too bad. So there you go. It took a little bit of hammering and nudging down, and then you've got to rotate. I realize you've got to rotate this thing. There you go, and actually does it by fingers. There you go. So that slides in, and perfect. There's a root place there for the clip. So I'm going to do that with two hands so I don't lose it. Well, I got it on. And I only dropped the clip once, but I tell you, oh my, I mean that is, it used to rattle, maybe I got the video of that, but it used to rattle, and now that feels great. Alright, onwards and upwards. Well, just to prove that I did get it on there, put the boot on there, there's a little rubber thing underneath there, and then the big boot. And if I hit the clutch, oh, that is solid, no wiggle room. That's pretty damn good.